Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asaloga Solution. We are going to help you how to unlock your phone. If you can see the SIM lock, or you can see the phone lock like this, you can see the SIM lock or SIM invalid or SIM not valid. You can see any types of issue on your phone. So how can you unlock this phone? Very easily. First of all, you have to log in asaloga.com. Then click on the order now service. Select the IME service. Search here the carrier. Type here carrier. Then first check your phone carrier information. You can see the carrier check services here. You can see here the phone carrier lock services here also all. Check the phone SIM lock and carrier lock service. Place order. Thank you for placing order. You can see here. You can check your order history from here. Waiting for replay. It may take 1 to 5 minutes to give us information. So the update. You can see here the SIM lock status. SIM lock is locked. If we translate in English, you can see the SIM lock status is locked and carrier is UST mobile locked. So we have to find the UST mobile services to unlock the phone. We will go to as unlocker again and order history. If you can see here the Verizon or any other name, then let's find out this carrier only. T-Mobile. Search T-Mobile. You can see here the T-Mobile Metro PCS. Yeah, fast in the T-Mobile Metro PCS here also. If your model match here, you can order here or you can choose this service for all model. T-Mobile, Sprint, Metro PCS. You can see the services. We'll use this service. This is the US T-Mobile service. You can see the services. It is take up to 20 minutes, 24 hours to unlock. Place order here your IME. If you can see your carrier is Verizon or others, so you have to find the carrier name here. Type the carrier name just to find out your service. Never try to find your service with model or any others. Just type the correct carrier name. You can see the information here also. It is supported. Now we will place order. You can see the place order button. Click on place order. Now wait 1 to 24 hours. Very soon it will be unlocked. Thanks for watching my video and stay with the Unlocker and keep using the Unlocker. And